Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Matic to USDT in Metamask. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Metamask mobile application and then you need to simply tap on this swap option on the home page. So after tapping on this swap button, you need to simply select the swap option and then you will be landed on this page. Now, since you want to swap from Matic to USDT, in this drop down menu, you need to simply tap on it and you need to simply search for Polygon. Now once you are able to find a Polygon in this section, you need to simply select that, but as you can see for yourself, it is not showing me Polygon or Matic over here. So maybe you are not able to swap from Matic to USDT directly, so we will need to go with the second method. So you need to simply tap on the swap button again, and this time you need to tap on the bridge option. Now once you tap on bridge, you will be landed in your Metamask portfolio, where you need to first select your network, and our network is Polygon network, so you need to select it. Then you need to select the token as Polygon. So after selecting the token, you need to simply just scroll down, and in the to section you will have to select that particular network at which you have your USDT. So let's assume that you have your USDT on the Ethereum network. So first you need to select Ethereum, and then in the token you need to select USDT. So the pair or the bridge token option should look something like this. Now you need to enter the amount of Polygon that you want to swap to USDT, and then it will show you all of the information about this transaction. Now once you are okay with the transaction fees and other information, you need to press the confirm button and you need to confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is concluded, you just have to simply wait and you will see your USDT in your Metamask account. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.